This is Audi TT. Basically, what happened? This side whole lamp not work. No brake light, not side light, not indicator, nothing. Then I slam this side. Then after that, it's start to work. I'll press the brake and I'll show you. You can see now both side and the middle work as should be. Right. Okay. But I know something not right for that side. Basically, I'm going to remove the complete lamp and I'll show you what's going on there, because I feeling that inside the lamp sometime it could be burn out or it's broken wire. At the moment I'm not 100% sure, or sometime it's loose connection wire. I'm not sure 100%, but however, first of all, I'm going to open the lamp and show you, because normally by experience I know VW Group's car very famous for burnout connectors and lamp holder inside. Yeah, let's remove the lamp and we'll see what's going on there. Right, now when you're going to remove the lamp, you don't want a special tool. It's here, you can see it's in your toolbox. What you need to do, turn other side and remove this panel, this one. Just open, then after that remove the connector. Then you can use this bit in here. Once I remove, I'll show you what's going on there. Right, you can see this one, it sit on here nicely. Then after that you can turn and remove. Okay, after that, when you're going to remove this one, little bit lift up from here, just tiny bit like this, and push toward this side. Right, I'll show you. Slightly push, and after that you can take out. See, it's not hard. What happened, see, these connectors, it sit on the groove. See, this is the groove, just lined here, push it in. Once you push this side towards this way, it's come out from here. Right, okay, next step, I'm going to disconnect this connector. Right, see, you can see this one burn out, and here inside you can see this pin already burn out. Next step, I'm going to remove this bulb holder. That's one also, you don't want any special tool, you can use it the same tool. Right, after remove 5 screw, 1 2 3 4 5, then you can remove the bulb holder. Careful, don't going to lose these screws, we need to reuse it. Right, have a look what happened inside. You can see here inside also burnout mark here. See, slightly burn. This side you can see nicely. Right, now I'm going to order parts from the VW TPS. Basically they keep all parts, I know that one because I done many past. However, I'm waiting for the until parts come. Once I get the part, I'll come back to you. Right, we got the parts from TPS. We need a like this tool for clip removing. I'll show you in a minute. And I order the thick earth wire, and I got the bulb connector, and also I got new lamp holder. See, all connectors nice and shiny, aren't you? Right. Okay, next step, I need to remove whole wiring from this connector. Then after that I need to install to the new connector. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do one by one take out, install to the same slot. Right. This pink connector need to lift up. Right, you can see it's lift up now. Then after that we are able to remove all wires. We need to find out correct tool, correct pin. I think I am going, not that one. I think I can go like this one, this either one. We'll try. Need to press through here like this and wiggle and take out from the back. We done the amendment with the new connector. Yeah, all nice and tidy now. Already we install new holder. This is the old one, broken one. Right, now I'm going to plug in connectors here. It's a bit tight. I'm wondering why. You know why now? Right. Basically, what we have to do, we have to press in this pink tab in. Otherwise, we can't install. I'm going to press in now. Right. It's in. Right. Now I can connect the connector. Right. You can heard click sounds. Now I'm going to start the car. Start the car, please. Right. Light working. Try to do the indicator. Hazard signal. Start. Yeah, it's working. Press the brake pedal and put to the reverse gear. Right. You can see the reverse all working 9. Yeah. Switch off, please. Make it neutral. Oh, parking. Thank you. Switch off. Nice one. Switch off the hazard. All good. Yeah. Right. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Little bit complicated to remove the connector, but apart of that, it's okay. If you have a correct tool, it's easy. But this one bit handy, but it's not strong as much we think, because this is cheaper one. We can buy reasonable one. See, it's bent. Some are bent. See, yeah. Anyway, finally we done the job. Thank you. See you in the next video.